Hello and welcome to the Rob Walton College of Global Futures at Arizona State University. I'm Mickey Kittleson, Dean of the College, and I'm absolutely thrilled to welcome you to our community of learners. You're joining us at a pivotal moment, not just in your lives, but how the future is shaped. The challenges we face today are complex, but they're not insurmountable, and that is why you're here. At the College of Global Futures, we believe that bold ideas can shape a better tomorrow. You'll address challenges of planetary health through understanding complexity, conservation, innovation, ocean health, and sustainability. Not as abstract problems, but as opportunities to create real and meaningful impact. You're not just learning, you're problem solving. You're building the skills, the networks, the experiences that will prepare you for a career driven by purpose. Here, your education is more than a degree. It's a launch pad. Our graduates go on to work in business, nonprofit, government, research, and more. But no matter the path, they share one thing in common: a deep commitment to making a future in which life not only survives, but thrives on a healthy planet. We are so glad you're here. Welcome to the College of Global Futures, and let's get started.
I was interested in joining the College of Global Futures because I'm passionate about human and nature relationships, waste management, regenerative systems, and protecting the environment. I graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Sustainability and am currently in the Accelerated Master's Degree Program for Sustainable Solutions. I gained real-world experience with the help of the college's career services staff by aligning my interests with internships at a consulting company and a nonprofit organization. I have also had the opportunity to participate in 2 clubs at ASU, as well as study abroad in Florence, Italy, where I took sustainability courses. Through my classes, I have had many real-world experiences, one being working with Coca-Cola and another working with the city of Peoria on their sustainability plan. My dream job is to work with K-12 students and companies to educate them on sustainable solutions. We invite you to learn more about our programs by visiting our website, which is linked in the description below. We look forward to seeing you soon. Forks up.